think they're taking this wire down today. Looking like they're working hard. But the wire goes from street light to street light and around. I think they're removing it. Watching the pole move back and forth as they're pulling the wire. So it'd be nice, you see that wire? It's on a turnbuckle, and it goes all the way down to the next light pole with another turnbuckle, and then it continues up the road. They're actually going to finally take that down after 6 years. Pretty cool. There it is on the ground. Yeah, he did. Look at him, he's pulling it out. Where is he going? There he is. He's pulling it. Finally, 6 years. Looking right. Getting her done. A little scrapping with Ed. Right here we got a couple of heating units. Sorry about the wind. But these are my buddies that are going to donate some parts to the Udizzy shop. So stay tuned for that. It says, Hell's Geezers. Hexangeles! Hexangeles!
Hey, see if he uses blinker.
He uses blinker?
Didn't need it.
Didn't need it. Well, there's the train.
If that train falls off the track, do you get your money back?
Providence and Worcester Railroad. And there's another one down there. Scrapyard day. That's pretty cool. Yeah, they are. They're playing wars. Gripper wars.
You can see why the tension gets high.
Yeah, he did. Smash. What interior? It's now exterior.
What you have to do with that now? You gotta mix that all in when he puts it in.
Yeah.
So when it goes to the other guy, he's at the other guy. So what the fuck? I don't buy 5%.
And how you doing?
Oh crap! Hey, my trailer.
Hey, I needed that rig. God damn it!
Good.
Look alright. We're dead. Another trip to the scrapyard. Well, this is a machine Udizzy's getting, and gotta load them up. Oh yeah, he did.
Yeah.
It's in the truck. Me and Ed lifted it up. We both need a bacchiotomy, but we got it on there. That's a nice sanding machine he got, and some shelves too. Freaking right. This is for my friends over there in Wales. This is, look at this. That's the brand, and it's a stand-up sander. It's a 3-phase with the whole thing. We got the whole unit. Ed's scrapping it. You see the X? He said, scrap it. But I thought you guys might want to see it. So there you go. Syracuse, New York.